Hi you guys, I'm glad you made it back. But if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to my GMC Do-It-Yourself Repair channel. In my channel here, you'll see I have tons of videos that I'm sure that I have something in here that'll interest you. It doesn't take a lot of experience or knowledge and doesn't take a lot of tools. And one thing for sure, you're going to save tons of money. So before you go to a mechanic or the dealership, click on the upper right hand corner there and explore my channel. I'm sure I have something in there that's going to save you some money. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This really helps my channel. And by the way, hit that bell and leave a comment. And believe it or not, if you leave a comment, I respond back to you. Yeah, I know, I don't have a life, so I have nothing else better to do. Okay, let's get started. About a year ago, I had my fuel pump go out. But before I realized my fuel pump was the problem, I checked a few things first. And one of them was my fuel pump relay. I had to make sure that was good. So in this short video, I'm just going to show you where the fuel pump relay is at. I'm not going to show you how to check your fuel relay to see if it's good or not. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there that show you how to test these, so I'll just leave it to those guys. So before you take it to a dealer or a mechanic, you may want to check this first. If you don't want to learn how to check these relays only cost anywhere from $3 to $15. You can switch that out with a new one, just so you have peace of mind that this has been replaced and you're not going to have any problems in the future with this part. So this is going to be a quick, real easy video. Plus, this is really easy to locate. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop the hood open. And if you stand just where the driver's side tire is at and look in the engine compartment, you're going to see a box right where the red arrow's at. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this lid on top of this box. You're going to put your hand behind the box, you'll feel a little lip, and you're going to pull upwards and it'll pop right off. Just remove it and set the lid aside. Okay, let's get the camera in position like if you were standing next to it. So just stand next to the fender there and you're looking down into the fuse box. Okay, if you look at the bottom where the blue arrow's at, you're going to see 3 gray boxes. Then on top of that, where the blue arrows are at, you're going to see 2 gray boxes. Then on top of that, you're going to see where the blue arrow's at again, 1 gray box. Then you have another gray box on top of that one. It's the gray box on top of the pyramid, so to speak, right where the blue arrow's at. Where that blue arrow is pointed at, that's your fuel pump relay. Like I said before, if you don't want to learn how to test one of these, go to your parts store and pick one up, unplug it, comes out just like a fuse, put the new one in, and hopefully that'll fix your problem. See how easy that was? Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!